So today's song is called We'll Meet Again. It was sung by Vera Lynn in the Second World War, and you're likely to hear quite a bit of it this week with the V-Day celebrations coming up. So I thought, as it's a song you're likely to hear a few times, you might want to have a go at playing it. So here's a nice simple version of just the beginning of the melody. So this is the middle C here, and we're going to start on the A below it. And the beginning part is using a bit of the chromatic scale, which is when you do a scale that uses the black and the white notes, so like this. Okay, that's part of it. So we're going to start off by going A on the thumb, then down to the G sharp and back, and then we're going to go up a note to the B flat, and then down and back again, then up to the B, and down and back. Okay, so you can see you've used all of these notes from here, black and white notes. So it starts in the A, same thing again, down and back, B flat and down and back, and then B, down and back, and then stretching up to G up here. Okay, then the next bit is going to go F sharp, G and F sharp. Okay, then 2 E's, 2 D's. Okay, so from the high G you got, and then F sharp, G, F sharp, 2 E's, 2 D's, and then down to B here on your thumb, and then we're going to walk up using the C sharp as well, up to our forefinger. Okay, so I'll play all of that from the beginning. That's the first half. The second half starts exactly the same as the first half. So we're going to go back down to here again, down and back, to the B flat, down and back, to the B, down and back, up to the G again, still the same, F sharp, G, F sharp, 2 E's, 2 D's, and then we're going down to the B, and instead of walking up, we're going to jump up to the F sharp, 2 of those, and finish on D. So it's literally the whole thing through twice. The only difference is the first time you go walking up from the B, and the second time you go from the B and you jump up to F sharp and you finish on the D here. Okay, so if I play the whole thing through, this is what it sounds like. And that's it. So that is in the key that the original is in. I'm not sure whether she'll still sing it in the same key on Friday for the V-Day celebrations, but it's a nice key to play it in anyway, to have a go on the piano. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, you can hit the like button, and you can also subscribe and hit the bell button next to that, and that way you won't miss any of the videos in future. Have fun!